Welcome to school two.
Food in the house now, there's nothing. So I don't know, we are just praying to God. Let God come and help us so that we can see food to eat.
Let's go and preach to the person.
Let's go.
Let's go preach to them.
Good day.
Good afternoon, my brother.
Good afternoon.
Yes.
Good afternoon.
I am brother Nebuchadnezzar, and this
And I am Sister Jennifer.
yes, that's
You're
Sister
welcome.
Jennifer.
You're welcome.
We are here to preach the good news. Because one thing I want you to know about this life, my brother, this life is not how far, it's how well.
Yes.
Because even the Bible says in John 3:16 that for God
God so loved the world, and he gave his only begotten Son, that whoever believeth in him shall not die, but have everlasting life.
Can you hear it? Can you hear it? Yes. So that's why we need to live our life in a very useful manner.
Yes.
You need to live a good life.
Yes, it is even written in the Bible that what shall it profit a man to gain the whole world and lose his soul in hell?
Because everything is not about waking up in the morning, running out, going back. No.
It's not about material things.
I've not seen anybody that died, they use the car to put inside the grave.
Yeah.
Or they put the house, or they put the company. No. Sure that people around you are benefiting something from you. Okay. Like if you have like 5 or 10 things, you can just give out to people, share it.
Okay, now you be this. They see you. Where my money? Where my money?
Hey.
Oh my God.
Sister, no, my brother, these are just trying times.
Tell her, make you give me my
These
money.
are trying times.
I'll see you later.
Okay, take care.
See, my dear.
What is going on?
I'm waiting.
What is
Shebi
going
you
on
tell
here,
me
preacher?
say you dey come back.
Brother, what is going on? What happened?
Tell him to tell me my money. Need my money.
My dear, wait. See, this thing is just trying times. It's not as if it's just one of the things men of
Please
God
tell
go
me
through.
what is going on here.
Pay me my money.
You think say they wise?
So you don't know.
See, sir,
Ask him, he's
I
owing
don't
me.
know. Eh?
You are owing me. I need my money.
Owe you for what now?
He
Why
tell
is
me
he owing-
say na POS he wan use. Na so I no see am again. The guy come disappear. You think say I no go catch you?
Wetin he do? What is the problem? Wetin they owe you for?
See,
I wan know.
You chop my agbolo.
Eh?
The guy chop my agbolo.
Ogbolo soup.
He begin dey whine me like
The
this.
whine.
He dey whine me like this. He do me like this. He do me like that. Finish. He come waka comot to deceive me. Oga, I need my money.
You hear wetin he talk?
I
You
need
chop
my money.
ogbolo soup.
I know they do things like that. That's my partner.
You are a mumu man.
Now take am easy. Take
No,
am easy.
I need my money. Oh. I know they use my business dey play.
Brother,
Oga, give my money.
see, there's something I want you to help me with.
What is that? Tell me.
See, I don't know. Her money is 2,000 actually. So I only have 500. I don't know if you can help me with 1,500. Yes, so that I can give her.
Oh yeah, my money.
My friend, settle your matter.
My money, give me my money, Oga.
Brother,
Which brother? Now the brother now follow you do the thing. He follow you shop the ogbolo. Give me my money. I say give me my money now. Shebi you tell me say you dey come back.
ATM no dey pay.
ATM no dey pay.
You swallow my
You
card.
go must pay my money today. You know say ATM dey pay.
I go.
I go pay it for you. Give me my money today. Give me my money. Give me my money.
Thank you very much for watching School 2 Comedy. I want you to always watch School 2 Comedy. Feel free to go to our YouTube page, subscribe, like our video, share. Follow us on all social media platforms at School 2 Comedy. I will be dropping new videos every Friday. And those of you that want to start following us, in case you are new, we have so many giveaways we want to start doing for all our viewers. So make sure you're watching, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you follow us. Thank you very much. God bless you.